Welcome to Knowledge Plaza. Click on subscribe button, click on bell icon and select all and thumbs up for more videos. Namaste. Once again welcome to Knowledge Plaza YouTube channel. Today as I'm before you to discuss about uh, electric potential and electric potential difference and some numerals on electric potential and potential difference. Okay. So let us discuss about the topic electric potential. So electric potential can be defined as the amount of work done to move a unit positive charge from infinity to a point required. Okay. So let us understand the concept as I'm going to consider here one of the conductor. Okay. So here one point has taken as infinity. Okay. At infinity there are charges, and I'm going to consider one more point, that is reference point or required point. Okay. So to move the unit positive charge from infinity to the reference point, to move unit positive charge from infinity to reference point, we need to do some work. Okay, that work is known as work done is known as electric potential. Okay, work done to move a unit positive charge from infinity to reference point is known as electric potential. Okay, so electric potential can be defined mathematically as V is equal to amount of work done is taken as W to move unit positive charge. To move unit positive charge. Okay, this is the mathematical relation. Okay, for the electric potential. V is the electric potential, W is the amount of work done, and Q is the charge, unit positive charge that has to move from infinity to reference point. Okay, the SI unit of electric potential is volt, and it is abbreviated as a capital V. Okay, and the smaller units of electric potential are microvolt and millivolt and microvolt. Okay, these are the smaller units of electric potential. And next we are going to discuss about electric potential difference. So electric potential difference, it is defined as the amount of work done to move unit positive charge from one point to another point. Okay, let us understand this. I'm going to consider here a conductor with electrical appliance, that is a bulb. It's connected with a battery. Battery has two terminals, one is positive terminal and one negative terminal. Okay, battery creates the potential difference, okay, in the conductor, because electrons are already there in the conductor, but they need the external force, okay, to move. They need external force that is provided by the battery. Okay, so here battery creates the force to move the charges from one point to another point. So there is a difference between one point or one terminal to another terminal. Okay, that difference is known as the electric potential difference. Okay, the charges are moving from this point to this point, or has to make a work. Okay, that work done, and the difference is known as the electric potential difference. Okay, so here the charges are moving from one point to another point. If they said to be 1 volt, if they said to be 1 volt, when 1 joule of work is done, 1 joule of work is done by moving 1 coulomb of charge, 1 coulomb of charge from one point to another point, then we say that the work electric potential is 1 volt. Okay, and when we say that electric potential is 1 volt, when 1 coulomb of charge, 1 joule of work is done to move 1 coulomb of charge from one point to another point. Got it? Okay. So now let us discuss some numerals on the electric potential and electric potential difference. Before going to start the numerals, we must have to know that electric potential can be measured by the device called voltmeter. Voltmeter is a device to measure the electric potential or voltage across the conductor. Okay. Let us discuss about the example. How much work is done in moving a charge of 3 coulomb across 2 points having a potential difference 50 volt. Okay. How much work is done? That means you have to find work done. How much work is done to move a unit charge, that is about Q is equal to 3 coulomb. Okay. And across 2 points having potential difference. Potential difference means V is given, that is 15 volt. Okay. So here you need to find work done. We know the relation V is equal to W by Q. So we need to find W. W is equal to V into Q. V means 15 volt into Q is 3 coulomb. 15 3s are 45. Work is unit, works it is joule. Okay. W is equal to 45 joules to move 3 coulomb of charges from one place to another place. Okay, let us discuss about the next example. Calculate the potential difference between two terminals of a battery if 100 joule of work is required to transfer the charge of 20 coulomb from one terminal of the battery to another terminal. Okay, here you need to transfer 20 coulomb of charge from one place to another terminal of the battery. It requires 100 joule of work. Okay, but we have to find here potential difference, that is V you need to find. So V is equal to W by Q. Okay, work done is given, that is 100 joule to the 20 coulomb. 21 is 25. Therefore potential difference is 5 volt. Potential difference is 5 volt. Any doubts in this video, you may ask in the comment box. Okay. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe the channel if you are not subscribed the channel. Okay. Thank you.